What's up guys, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is going to be the second foldable smartphone from Samsung. As we know, Samsung is a leading smartphone brand all over the world and makes such an incredible flagship level smartphones. That's what Samsung is again going to do this year. Samsung is launching Galaxy Z Flip this month on February 11 along with their Samsung Galaxy S20 series. But today we got a hands-on video from a leaker on Twitter named as Ben Jaskin, who has a great record in history for leaking smartphones before the official launch events. So here is our first hands-on clear look on Galaxy Z Flip. It looks really flawless and amazing device in hands. Before this video we have seen some leaked pictures but that don't show much of it, but this video is actually confirming the entire design. We have a lot to see on screen. The way of its folding and refolding is absolutely amazing and so smooth. This is not like first foldable smartphone that was like a tablet and folds in horizontal axis. This Galaxy Z Flip folds in vertical axis and the display is really taller. It's 6.7 inches display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and this is obviously the highest aspect ratio because nowadays most of smartphones are having 20:9, but we got a Galaxy Z Flip as bigger as it could be. And this Galaxy Z Flip in leaked video looks totally same as a concept video created by Concept Trailer on YouTube that you are watching now. We have a clear look on hinges that fold this beast in a pocket-sized phone that can fit easily in your purse or pocket. And this Galaxy Z Flip is expected to come with Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC chipset, and 8 or 6 gigabytes of RAM is also confirmed. If not 8 then 6 gigabytes RAM has 60% of chances for implementation. And as we have seen already, it would have a single punch hole selfie camera with dual rear cameras at the rear side, and at the rear side we have a small AMOLED display which shows a little words like daily life stuff like date or time, also the charging percentage of smartphone. And this front selfie shooter is expected to be a 12 megapixel sensor. Rear cameras are having maybe a 48 megapixel with 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, or maybe 12 megapixel with 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. And with this much larger display we can have better experience of gaming or watching movies in really ultra wide screen. So I would say that this Galaxy Z Flip looks really handsome and much cool than leaked pictures. So let's wait till 11th February when this phone will get officially released. Till that, stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.